Here are 3 major licks in the key of C. Alright, now the first one, which is, takes place in my E shape. Now I refer to it as an E shape because it looks like an E, but we're still in the key of C because my first finger is on the 8th fret, 6th string. So here we go. Second finger is going to be kind of always stationed here at the second, or my first finger is going to be always stationed here on the 2nd string, 8th fret. Alright? Now, this one I'm always going to be hitting in between my other notes. So the first sequence of notes, so I'm going to use my pinky, is going to be my 12th fret, my 13th fret, and then my 12th fret again. So it's going to go 2nd string, 12th fret on the 1st string, 2nd string, 13th fret on the 1st string, 2nd string, 12th fret on the 1st string, and then actually after that we're going to go down to the 10th fret using my 3rd finger on the 1st string. Alright, so that first half is, alright, that is 2nd string, 12th, 2nd string, 13th, 2nd string, 12th, 2nd string, 10th. Now the last half is going to go 12th, 12th, 13th, 8th. Alright, so all together, 12th, 13th, 12th, 10th, 12th, 13th, 8th. The second lick is alright, now this one I'm going to be taking place in my C shape scale. Alright, so C shape in the key of C. This one's pretty nice. My pinky, the reason why it's a C shape is because my pinky is on the 5th string on the C note, which is the 15th fret. Be starting out on my 2nd string, 15th fret. Be bending up. Then I'm going to be holding that bend while my pinky goes on the 15th fret on the 1st string. Now when I'm up there, after I hit my 1st string, I'm going to bend down, and then I'm going to be going to my 13th fret on the 2nd string. So 15th fret on the 2nd string, bend up, 15th fret on the 1st string, now bend down on the 2nd string, 13th fret on the 2nd string, then we go to my 15th fret on the 1st string, and be holding it there for a minute. Second half is 12th fret, and I'm going to be pulling off from my 13th to my 12th fret. All that's happening on the 1st string. Then we go to my 15th fret on the 2nd string, pull off on the 15th fret down to the 13th fret, hitting my 14th fret on the 3rd string. So now I'm going to be going 13th fret, 15th, bend. And then I'll actually kind of make that all. Pick only the first note, and I'll go up like that. So it goes like this. Alright, now the third lick is using my consecutive thirds that I did a video about. And this one, I'm going to be starting out with, we kind of have 2 shapes here, my major and my minor. Alright? And those kind of chord names don't always kind of end up working out exact, but I will kind of refer to them as these shapes. We can kind of think of these as like the bottom 2 of a D or a D minor. And we starting out here, my second finger is always going to stay the same, and then I'm always going to kind of say, okay, whether we're playing a major or minor. So my second finger is going to be the 13th fret, major shape, 3 times. I'm kind of finger picking that too. You can also strum that. Now when you're going down, second finger is going to be the 12th fret, but this time I'm going to be my minor shape. Back 2 frets, so my second finger is going to be the 10th fret, minor shape again. So major 3 times on the 13th fret, 12th fret, minor twice, and then 10th fret, minor. When you're going down here to the 5th fret, it's going to be minor shape. Only once. 6th fret, major shape. 8th fret, major shape. Going back down here. Alright. Now these actually are tiny bits of chords. So I almost kind of think of this one as like a C, almost like the bottom half of like an A major shape, or like a bar chord shape for my C chord. And but here we go. Major 13th fret, 3 times, 12th fret minor shape, 10th fret minor shape, major or minor 5th, major 6th,